Hey guys, I'm Tate Priest, a sales executive here at Airmart.
And I'm Sav, another sales executive here at Airmart, and today we are going to watch famous stunt scenes from a variety of movies.
You'll see our reactions, follow along for a fun video, and if you're looking for an airplane, check out our inventory in the link below.
Smash that subscribe button.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back in. Yes, sir.
Okay, 185.
Oh, 185.
Those amphibs or straight floats?
Couldn't quite see. Maybe we'll see it from under the water.
What's the rope tied to? Oh, we got a submarine of some sort. I'll say that's flour.
Sure. I love all the arbitrary buttons and lights.
Mr. Crest. Ring sentinel up. There he is! There! Right there! Get him! There!
And also 10 feet on. Yeah, it's not really. You need like a Baja or something.
Yeah.
A little more villain-like.
Not very menacing. No offense to any pontoon owners. We love
Yeah,
pontoons.
they're great. Just not fit for a Bond villain.
No. Don't forget to wear your pulse oximeters when flying at altitude.
Yep. And remember, mask above 18,000.
Yep.
Or the FAR's line. And 2 rigs.
Oh, my favorite. 12.5 to 14.
For 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Yep.
Required above 14.
Mm-hmm.
But you only have to offer it to passengers.
Yep. And then above 15, everyone.
Okay, we got an airplane here. Doing some barefoot water skiing. Looks painful in the ocean.
It does. That water is far from smooth. Oh, now it's smooth.
Oh.
And they are amphibs.
They are amphibs. I'd say they're what they're amphibs.
And this is accurate. They've got a float kit. This is all real.
It's a pretty good rough water takeoff there.
Mm-hmm.
It'd be hard to open the door that much.
Mm-hmm. Especially the baggage door. His hand would have been pinched right there. Taking his fingers off.
You could climb in that baggage door. It's pretty big though. Oh,
Quick release door.
skydive ops.
I wonder where 6964 November is nowadays. Is that the tail number?
What is that, aerobatic? Looks pretty close.
These are some brave pilots.
I'm gonna need to say it's medical. I think all that was real. I think they shot that with a real airplane.
It looked pretty real.
Even in the air.
Yes.
Guy hanging off of it.
185s are super cool.
Yeah. Very cool airplanes.
Yeah.
Straight tail.
They've aged very well.
Big useful load, even on floats.
Yep. Very utilitarian.
Be a nice one to have.
Mm-hmm.
Let us know if you're looking for an amphib. We've got 2 of them. We got 1 on straight floats and 1 on amphibs. Let us know if you're looking for a float plane. Check out the link below. We got both of them.
We also have a 185
I think
listed.
so. We do. It's got a stretcher door. Very rare option.
Very rare.
Thanks for watching.